Sometimes we get some stuff what's very challenging, and we always find a solution for that. My name is Mariet and I'm the team lead of Instrument Manufacturing Workshop at TNO in Delft. In the workshop we can do very nice stuff. We can do very basic stuff, but we also do very high level stuff. We do it from the start till the end. So we start with designing, we do the manufacturing by using the lathe and the milling machine, for example. And after that we can also do the cleaning and bonding if necessary. So we do all kinds of things in the workshop all together. My role as a team lead at Instrument Manufacturing is to make sure that my colleagues in the workshop will get their work. So I'm the first contact for our colleagues within TNO if they want to have some work done in the workshop. And that's my main part, to be the first contact and make sure that the people in the workshop know when the products need to be finished. I think because the connection between the projects and the workshop are so close, we can do phenomenal things, and we can do very accurate things, and we can just make things on demand. The instrument manufacturing supports the MAIT in assembling the products, and if they really need some parts ad hoc, we can produce them for them so they can continue the work within a certain amount of time. The work is challenging because projects of TNO demand very high standards and very high accuracy, and that's what makes it challenging. Oh yes, I'm really proud of my work. Yes.